Hello, in this video we will discuss about the red meat, beef, nutritional facts and health effects. We will also learn collectively the red meat, which that contain mutton, beef, and other mammal products. So the meat of mammals is known as the red meat. Why red meat? Because red meat is due to the iron rich property. So the higher nutrition of iron, higher content of iron, as well as the rich vitamin and minerals. For example, iron and zinc is the mineral. So in this way, this a lot of beneficial facts, and we will learn about in this video. So this is the basically is the meat products and meat, and which that is 100 gram or 3.5 ounces contain a 10% fat content, calorie 217, water is 61, and protein 26.1 gram, 27%, and carb is 0%, but carb is not 0%, we will discuss later, and sugar 0 gram, but not sugar is 0 gram, we will also learn, and the fiber 0 gram, and fat 11.8 gram. So it will combine, the carb will combine with the, for example, the fructose, which that is bind with the DNA. So remember, the nucleotide contain glucose. So the beef contain the saturated fats, monounsaturated fats, and fatty acid is stearic acid, oleic acid, and palmitic acid. And amino acids non-essential 9 amino acid. It means the complete protein and provide the all beneficial effects in our body. So the two type of the red meat, the grain fed beef, which that is the mammal will feed the grain, while the grass feed beef. So the grass feed is basically higher antioxidants, vitamin E and A higher, and fats low, but the free fatty acid increase, and omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acid will increase, while the grain feed beef decrease the antioxidant, vitamin, fat, free fatty acid, and omega 3. Anyhow, we will also learn about the conjugated linoleic acid. The CLA also present in the supplement when we will produce a supplement, the CLA, and this still large doses in supplements may have harmful, but in the meat and meat product, so the weight can be lost through the CLA. The conjugated linoleic acid will decrease the fat, and on the other hand, the basically is the um, uh, on the other hand the decrease and increase the stamina, and the bodybuilder use this CLA for decreasing the fat. So that is the fact. And on the other hand, we will learn about the vitamin also. So this is a supplement may have harmful, but when you take the meat, so that is okay, and that's great, and increase the reduction of fat. It means the weight loss, it is helping the weight loss. So here is a person which that is contain a fat loss due to the CLA supplement. But in this case, the conjugated linoleic acid consumed through meat, red meat, is easy to understand and you can do it. So here is the nervous system which that contain brain and spinal cord. Anyhow, here is you can understand the vitamin. These vitamins contain niacin and vitamin B12 and vitamin B6, and basically is the iron, zinc, and selenium, and phosphorus. Phosphorus is important for the DNA repair as well as other things, the bone formation, and on the other hand, the calcium will combine with the phosphorus. So on the other hand, here is the basically the iron, vitamin B12, which that develop the nervous system, improve memory and brain, while the iron which that is lead to hemoglobin prevention to anemia, the decrease of hemoglobin, and vitamin B6 energy metabolism, anemia prevention also. So this is the hemoglobin, which that is basically the heme group formation due to the iron is very important, which that is come from the red meat. So anyhow, the selenium are present also, which that increase with the zinc, testosterone and estrogen, which that is the major female and male hormone. Male for male is the testosterone. So this is the glutathione, which that is the antioxidants, also whole food antioxidants high in grass-fed beef. So the grass-fed beef contain high number of glutathione, which that is very important antioxidant. On the other hand, here is the taurine. Taurine is found in fish and meat. Taurine is an antioxidant, amino acid, and a common ingredient in energy drink. Also present this taurine, but taurine is very important for increase the heart and muscle function and their health. So that is why the taurine is very important, and when you eat the red meat, we are also consuming the taurine. Taurine also the antioxidant. And here the creatine. This creatine is basically stored extra energy in creatine phosphate to donate the phosphate to ADP to ATP during the exercise. So remember here you can see, let's begin to understand the mechanism of the creatine. This is the supplement but also present in the meat. So the creatine convert into the creatine phosphate. How? When we will rest. So here is the exercise. The ADP convert into the ATP from the creatine phosphate to the ATP. And here is that during rest, the ATP will donate the phosphate group to the creatine for storage also. So during rest, the storage, while during the exercise, the serving of this energy in the form of stored energy. So here is the cholesterol also present, which that is very important topic. This is a common in several function: hormone synthesis, energy regulation, steroid synthesis, fat metabolism, cell membrane synthesis. Cell cholesterol not cause heart disease, while the diabetes or other disease factors cause indirectly cholesterol plaque formation, which that will lead to heart attack also, and arteriosclerosis, and there are a lot of disease, the cardiovascular disease. Also the saturated fat and heart disease, low density lipoprotein when increased, the bad cholesterol will lead to cause the heart disease. But also the beef basically and beef and cancer can cause make colon cancer, but the study is not complete. So here you can see this the cholesterol and also form adipose tissue and the cell membrane also everything. So here is the saturated fats and heart disease will lead to increase due to the increase of the low density lipoprotein and increase the bad cholesterol basically. And beef and cancer may colon cancer, and the heme when increase iron, so it is also cause difficulties and difficult problem. And heterocyclic amines, high cooking, which then increase the heterocyclic amine will lead to make colon cancer, and other substances processing and currying. So on the other hand, here is the bacterial infection will be occur in the meat of beef. If not well cooked, beef tapeworm, Taenia saginata, intestinal parasite will be caused the infection into the gastrointestinal tract, and iron overload in our body, which that will lead to hereditary hema, hemochromatosis, and genetic disorder characterized by excessive iron overload. So this all thing is done here. That is the side effect is minor, while the red meat beef and the mutton, which that is the nutritional fact and health fact is more. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe.